Belle is so sad and all alone. It would be great if she had someone to keep her company. So, what are our options? Let's see. Not bad, but he's not my type at all. That's not what I need either. Yikes! Who would want him? Good evening, fair lady. Oh, good evening. May I kiss your lovely hand? Yes, of course. How could I say no to you? Oh no, he's so ugly. Yikes! Want to have dinner together? No, no way. Just go. Hurry. Oh, really? What a nightmare. Why am I so unlucky? Where was I? Excuse me, please. Now what? This beautiful flower is for you. Oh, it's lovely. Oops, I dropped it. I am so clumsy. Go on, run. I can't take it anymore. It's horrible. Guess who, beautiful? Beast, is that you? Finally, you could say that. No, when will this end? Get out of my face. I'm leaving now. Oh, I am so anxious these days. I'm always on edge. I think I'll never get a date. Oh, what a hottie. Who's that? He's so beastly. Hi. Hello. How about some coffee? Oh, sure. You were so kind. May I hold your lovely hand? Oh, that's so sweet. I think I'm in love. Rapunzel has so many problems with her long hair. Hello, are you here? Yes, okay, I'll get it. Hi, I'm here to pick up my order. Tie the package to my hair. Hey there, here's your food. Tie it in your hair? Okay, you got it. Wow, that hair is amazing. It's gorgeous. All done. You can have it. What a great idea. Oh, thank you. Perfect. Bye-bye! It's delicious! So tasty! Great! Just what I need! Oh, I think I dozed off a little. Oops! Sleep, kitty. I won't disturb you. Should I bother the cat or trim my hair? The choice is obvious. That's it. You'll be very comfortable now. Aw, what a cute little kitty. Mulan never misses a workout. Oh no, I think I'm late for my date. I need to hurry. Hey, do you get me? Well, I'll explain it to you. No, don't touch it. That's my book. My glasses. Give them back. Are they yours? Then take them away from me. Hey, are you picking a fight? Oof. Someone needs help again, but I'm so late. Okay, I have to help. Hey, hey, let him go. What? What do you want, girlie? Keep walking. Don't bother us men. Can we talk? Oh no, it hurts. Let go, you freak. I think those are your glasses. Oh, thank you. You were just in time. Don't mention it. Happy to help. Where is she? How long do I have to wait? Oh, I'm sorry. I came as fast as I could. What's wrong, Mulan? You look a little weird. Oh, I'm sorry, babe. Just a second. Okay, I'm ready. Do you like it? Wow, you're gorgeous. I'm speechless. Where have you been all this time? I had to teach a bully a lesson. He loved it. Oh, Mulan, you're amazing. Ariel loves dancing. She dreams of becoming a ballerina someday. Oh, it's harder than I thought. Way harder than it looks. There are so many different moves. I can't give up. I can do it all. I think that's pretty good. I definitely have a chance. Oh, I think it's time to take a little break. I am so tired. I don't think I'll make it as a ballerina. But just because she's not great at ballet doesn't mean she won't tear it up on the dance floor. Come on, dance with me. Pump it up. Look what I can do. A breakdancing mermaid? Oh, that's great. Ariel is on fire. Sick. Come on, show us how it's done. That's something you've never seen before. Where is he? I don't like waiting. Can I help you? Would you mind loaning me your apron? Excuse me? My apron? Yes, that's what I need. Perfect! Now we're going to clean this place up. Oh, those glasses are so dirty. That's not good. Excuse me, what's going on here? She asked me for an apron. I don't get it either. Oh, you're here, babe. Yeah, but what are you doing here? Cinderella, put that rag down right now and give the girl her apron. Oh man, just when it was getting exciting. There's something wrong with this carpet again. How many times do I have to fix this junk? It's okay. I'll make you look great. See? We just have to wash you. There you go. You'll be nice and clean. Where did you get so dirty? She's weird. What do people like about that piece of metal? Well, it's done. Now we'll fly happily ever after. Woohoo! Oh, Snow White! You have been sleeping for so long. That's okay. We'll think of something. Sorry, it's my turn. Oh, yes, of course. Come on in. I need to get ready. All right, let's get started. Excuse me. Yeah. You need to pay for your kiss. Oh, yes, of course. Here you go. It's a pleasure doing business with you. Dwarf, quick, help me. I want to get up. Oh, I almost choked. Look, another customer. Let's go. Good afternoon. Can I try to wake the princess up? Oh, yes, of course. I think that's okay. Here you go. Doesn't seem to be working. Well, you did your best. Yes, of course. Here's your money. All of it. Good luck. Bye, handsome. Seriously? That's not enough. We need more. Look, someone's coming. Hello. Take this, please. It's all I have. Come in. This is enough to kiss her hand. Oh, thank you. That's very kind of you. Snow White, wake up! Wow, that's a lot of money! We're rich! Great job! Oh, what's taking her so long? How much time can she spend in there? I can't take it! Who's stuck in there? It's ridiculous! Hey, Elsa, there's a line! You can go come after me! How much longer do we have to wait? This is horrible! Princesses aren't used to being patient. I have an idea. There! That's better! Sorry, I had no other choice. I don't know what to do, Elsa! Listen to your heart, my friend. Everything will be all right. I don't know. I am so worried. I wonder how this is going to end. Oops! My glasses are fogging up. Elsa, can you help? Yes, of course. I'll clean them right now. Okay, I think it's ready. All clear. Oops! I think I overdid it a little bit. It's a great night. What are you doing, Cinderella? Sorting Skittles. I don't like clutter. Everything has to go in its place. Oh, my handsome boy! My love! I could look at him all day long. Here I am. I hope I'm not late. I was in a hurry. So much to do. Everybody wants to fight. Hey, Mulan! Be careful! What are you doing? Why are you so mean? What's wrong? You ruined everything! Look at that! Hey, here! I made you a treat. It should be delicious. Try it! It would be good to roast them a little. Oh, totally! Let's do it! Okay, it's ready. You can try it. Wow, that's great! You are such a good cook. It's delicious! Oh, yes, it is! I'm speechless. You want to have some fun? Come on! Hit her! What did you think of the everyday life of princesses? Which one did you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell. Don't miss new princess sketches on Troom Select.